if India has to get anywhere near the goal of this $5 trillion economy, some of the southern states, such as Tamil Nadu and Karnataka in particular, will have to pull their weight and, and achieve what is now becoming a race for that $1 trillion state in the country, perhaps the first $1 trillion state. And so I'd like to start by asking you to take about a minute or two each to give us your sense of what would it take to, for southern states, for instance, to maybe 2 or 3 things that you think are absolutely critical for these states to make their mark and to head towards that $1 trillion mark, to unshackle the problems that they might be encountering, and how do they get to that $1 trillion mark fast enough for India to get to the $5 trillion mark? Maybe a couple of 2 or 3 points, Dr. Reddy, if you'd like to start.
Sure. Good afternoon and pleasure to be here. I think it's fantastic that all of you are doing the first physical kind of program that all of us have seen in a while. So great to be here and good luck. And I think the focus on the intellectual South is definitely well appreciated. There is no doubt that all of us as a country need to move, and we do have the potential to achieve this aspirational $5 trillion. So I think the recent estimates that we will see in 21-22, a growth rate of upward of 11%, set the country itself to arguably be among the world's fastest growing economy. But what do we need for the southern states? So I would first say the most important is really to focus on infrastructure, because infrastructure is the single sector which can take about 200 sectors along with it. The second one is to continue our pace on digital and to build digitally inclusive societies, digitally pervasive environments which enable everyone to move where the rest of the world is moving. I believe that when we talk sector by sector, there is great potential, but manufacturing really calls itself out because of the potential of, the redefined global supply chains, resilient global supply chains that people are talking about. So this is a great opportunity, and government policy is matching the global opportunity. The moment is now for South India, and I think Chennai has always been, or Tamil Nadu has always been one of the manufacturing hubs. Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana all catching up. So manufacturing is clearly one of the big ones that we definitely must focus on. I must add, most appropriately, I think, is that we should also strive to be an inclusive, environmentally friendly, socially aware type of state or country, because tomorrow's consumer is a lot more discerning than just what's the product, what's the price. They are looking at the background of where this is coming from. So I think evolved organizations, if they can emerge from the South, from India, they will set global benchmarks which will set us as a country on the right track. So execution of the NIP, big one, education and skilling, manufacturing focus, of course agri and ability to implement what is being planned in agri, inclusive, like I said, and the right quality of the organization. And finally, healthcare does have the potential to do, whether it's pharma or medical services or making India, Chennai, a global hub for medical tourism. IT did something fantastic for the country in the last decade. This decade, healthcare could replicate that for the country.
Right.